Okay, this lesson is how do you handle your wireless manager when you get to this stage and it hasn't connected automatically. Okay, what you do is it'll say here that it wants you to next tip tests again. It says we have detected that your PC has no connection to the network. Click on next tip to get additional information, or on repairing this problem, or you may click test again to retest. So let's go to next tip and see what more information it says. Oh, it wants to give you troubleshooting. Well, the thing to do when you get this is just to go to OK. And then go over here to the little TV that is your Dell Network Assistant. Double click on it, and that will get your network up. Then you go to My Wireless, and that will give you the available wireless networks that are in the area. So just to reiterate, you go over here to your TV. I'm going to minimize it. You go over here, double click on it, you go to My Wireless, and this is going to show you what the networks are on the system. You can rescan again to see what networks there are, and it's going to rescan and tell you what networks are available. So in this case, there's two networks. You click on this network that you want to connect to, and you can go over to connect to 44. It's going to say a wireless profile for 44 exists. If you didn't have a password for 44, then it would give you the window with the password that you have to physically enter. Okay, but since we've already entered a password, it has a memory of the password that I already put in it. So it says a profile already exists, which means the profile. Would you like to connect using the profile? Well, yes, we can. Let's see what it's going to.
You hit no.
Yeah, I said no. There's a cancel, and let's go over here to what happens to if I go to try to connect to Alpha Tech. Okay, connect to. No. And it gives us a choice to put in a new password, but we don't want to do that. We want to see if we can connect to Alpha Tech. So Alpha Tech. Oh, Alpha Tech needs a security key. So in this case, let's just try and see how you put in the security key. So I'm going to type it in, and that one is Love Potion number 9 space 648 5434. That's the password that I put into my system in order to secure it. So I'm going to go ahead and first click OK and see if you can't connect. So if you're at a friend's house and he has a password, you just go through this same process that I'm going through right now. You enter the password, and hopefully if everything works okay, you'll make your connection.
This is the one where you have the encryption, though, right?
Oh, they both have encryption.
Oh, they both.
Oh, yeah.
We were using 44, though, before, right?
Okay. Now here's the question that happens when you get the bad IP address, which is a very common problem. We tried to connect to it, but you did not get a good IP address. So it says you didn't get a valid IP address. It can happen for multiple reasons, but in most cases the problem is associated with a weak signal quality. Perhaps you should try moving closer to the access point. Well, it's entirely possible that that's the case because that one's in the building. So let's go, and I'm just showing you how to work this interface. So let's go over to connecting to the 44, and let's just go connect to 44. And let's use the profile we already have, and we don't have to enter the profile. Let's see. It doesn't. Evidently, it lost the passphrase from its memory. So what I'm going to do...
10 years ago on a cold, dark night.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do... Oh, I clicked on it again, and it seemed to remember its passphrase. So let's see if it connects. successfully connected. Whenever the computer says something, don't believe it. Don't believe anything the computer says. Check for yourself. So let's launch your Internet Explorer and see if you've got internet. Boom, you've got internet.
You got it.